Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud?
Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design with Faith and Fashion Connect. I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Make yourself at home. Just click that like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. So we are back with yet another What's in My Bag video, and I feel like time is of the essence. Why, you ask? Well, first off, today's bag of the day is this yummy Pillow Madison shoulder bag in the color ivory and brass, and I feel like time is of the essence because this bag is back and she is at a wonderful sale price. And so if you are interested in obtaining this bag, I believe some of you expressed that you were interested in getting it, but it had sold out when I posted that I finally got my hands on it. It is back. It'll be linked in the description below. Make sure you take advantage of that Rakuten link as well if you are not already connected to get additional coins off of your purchase. Why? Because there is nothing wrong with holding on to your coins while you at the same time acquiring a cute bag. So if you are interested in seeing what I have jam-packed in this Pillow Madison shoulder bag in the color ivory, stay tuned. Okay, so I have reconfigured the camera so we can focus on the star of today's video, which is our yummy bag. I'm enjoying carrying this bag. I really want to find this bag in another color, in this size. Particularly if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I have two Pillow Madisons in the size 18, the Petunia and the Key Lime, but I really wanted another 26 size. I just wasn't really excited about the ways that the other colors were executed. That, like, the black had the white stitching. I think the gray was a little too dark for me. I digressed. The pink one, I was never able to grab, and you know, either that is the pink, the petunia and the coral in the 26 size. I was never to catch those either. So this is kind of where my collection stopped. But as you can see, she does have like minimal wear. Thankfully, there's no issues with color transfer. This bag is such a classy, good time. She gets a lot of looks, a lot of compliments. I love a good squishy, puffy, flat bag situation. I love this very classy, very demure, very elegant, simple C with the turn lock closure. And here we have our flap, our first flap. I had my phone in there, but I'm currently using that to record this video. So let's get into what's inside the bag. So as you can see, the goal is to keep the inside of the bag pristine, okay, in pristine condition. And so what I have done is I have utilized my SOGs in the color chalk. And so first up, we have our small corner zip wristlet with the gold Coach hot stamp. And so in this small wristlet, we have our makeup items for today, and that is our lippy, which is the Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream by Black Radiance. And the thing about Black Radiance items is once you take the packaging off, that the sealing plastic off, the name of whatever the color is comes off as well. So if you don't keep up with that packaging, or if it doesn't come with like a number at the bottom, you just better remember what the name of the color was. So we have that. We have our brown lip liner by LA Colors. We have what started off as the lippy of the day until I decided to change it, and that is this MAC Love You Back, which is a, let's see, is this a matte? Yes, it's a matte lipstick, and it's like a nudie matte color, and it matches like this bag and this outfit to a T. So as a brown girl, you have to be careful. You can't just wear this color, at least my complexion by itself. It has to go with a liner. But I decided to switch to this color today. A good time. We also have, for when, you know, I get sick of keeping up with the lip color, we have our lip bar, lip gloss. And this is in the color Minimalist. I love this so much. I need to grab some more of the clear lip glosses. And we also have our Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Bronze Glow. And then we have our sponge here because I can't fit a brush in here. And then we have our lip pencil sharpener. I need to upgrade all of my makeup brushes and things of that nature, but we're here. And a single bobby pin. Don't ask questions, okay? Don't ask. Don't ask. Are you able to even see? Let's see. So what I'm going to do, I'm trying to keep everything in frame. So we're going to put that there for now. And I love these little wristlets so much because I love when my bag is organized. So here we have our large corner zip wristlet, and also in the color chalk and gold. And as you can see, the large corner zip has the gold plate, like I said, whereas the small corner zip has the gold hot stamp. I prefer this, but we're here. And so inside of our large corner zip, which we are using as a catch-all, we have our gum. We have a nail file that we got from the $1.25 tree. We have some Tylenol. We have some tissues here. We have some Tide to go wipes because as much as I love a good neutral situation, you never know, so you have to be prepared. Y'all can't see anything that's in this bag. I'm going to reconfigure the camera so you can get a good view. We have one wet one. I need to re-up on these. And then we have 2 pins because I hate putting pins, loose pins, inside my bags. And so we're just going to put them here. And so that's that corner zip. And so let's see here. Let me see if I can reconfigure the camera so you can get a better view. I cannot. So we're just going to leave it alone for now, and I'll give you a bird's eye view at the end of the video. All right, y'all. Act like y'all want to be on camera today. It seems like every time I go to record a video, it's a windy day. There's just a lot of noise. All right, and so we have, oh wait, what else is inside the bag? We have we have our comb because we are back to being team short hair don't care. Inside of this zipper compartment here, we have our AirPods. And then we have the bag clip for the shoulder strap, the chain strap. I actually have been wearing her crossbody today, so I didn't need this. But if I wanted to carry her in more of a top handle fashion, I would just attach the bag clip. So let's just close that up for right now. And then let's see, to get her to stand up straight, let's lean her here. Come on now. All right, and then last but not least, we have our mini skinny ID case, which also has the gold plate, is also in the color chalk. And we have our keys attached because Coach, to my knowledge, never released the 5 key holder in the chalk or the ivory color that I'm aware of. I am still looking to acquire more of those because at current time I only have 2, a black one and a key holder in khaki saddle, but I would love to find more. But for right now, we really purchased the mini skinnies because they give me the option to use them as a key holder as well. So there you have that. We have all of our cards. We have 4 cards in each slot. We're not supposed to do that. I probably should have a wallet, but I love the mini skinny ID cases so much that all of them end up stretched out, jam-packed to capacity. And here we have a few coins because it's also a coin pouch, and we have some monies, okay? And so yes, that is literally all we were able to fit inside of this bag today, because I don't want to overstuff her. I feel like if it gets to the point where I have to jam pack the bag, I need to reach for a bigger bag. But because I was able to downsize and compartmentalize today, things worked out perfectly fine. But let me show you really quickly a bird's eye view. We also carry our planner today, but I was trying to, everything wants to fall. I was trying to see if this planner fit in like the back pocket, but it does not. So I just ended up carrying it in my hand, and that was fine. But yes, if I felt like, you know, it was a struggle to make anything else fit in this bag, I just need to reach for a bigger bag. But yes, let me give you guys a bird's eye view really quickly of what was inside today's carry. And yes. All right, since everything wants to keep falling, let me hurry up. Okay, and so really quickly, we're just going to repack everything into our bag. But yes, I would love to get my hands on another pillow Madison. Like, I know Coach is re-releasing. I've said this in several videos. I know there's like a drop every 5 minutes, but there are just some items that I know they're not like the latest, hottest, trendiest releases. The hype has died down on a few of the things that are on my wish list, but they're on my wish list and I still want them. And that includes another pillow Madison shoulder bag in the 26 size. I would love to get my hands on another one of these bags. So our makeup pouch is repackaged. And we are repackaging our catch-all pouch. And does this fit in here? I don't think so. But let's try it and see. Okay, so it does fit. Oh, perfect. All right, let's come on, gum. All right, so our catch-all pouch is repackaged. Now to put everything back in the bag. So we're going to put our makeup pouch in first. Let's see here. And then our catch-all pouch in second. And then our mini skinny ID case in third. Just leave our keys on top, our AirPods, and let's see here. What we usually do is then we stick our keys in there, and we try to have them so they're not like sticking up in the bag. And then we are going to close her. All right, and there you have it. That concludes what was in our bag. And like I said, there's nothing back here, which is actually fine because this did not fit at all. But we are very giving neutral girl aesthetic today, and I'm here for every moment of it. So that concludes today's What's in My Bag. And that concludes today's What's in My Bag video. If you have enjoyed this video, click that like button, click the subscribe button, notification bell. If you know another bag loving girly, make sure you share this video with her so she too can click the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so both of you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and you have a great week.
You